Hi, my name is Tombo. In this video, I would like to show you how Sidr Gmail Support Assistant works. Sidr Gmail Support Assistant is going to bring you insights into your email, especially those hard to understand emails, and especially when you have to go through a lot of emails in a single day. This happens a lot for support agents where they are constantly overwhelmed by a large volume. So being able to extract key information from emails and reduce the amount of time they need to spend on each email is actually very critical. So for this demo, I pre-selected a couple of emails. Two of them are pretty traditional support tickets. The other two are kind of like marketing emails, just to show you the capability of expert.ai NLP endpoint. So the first one we're going to look at is a neutral support ticket. So here, there is a ticket about flight information. So someone is asking about a particular flight. And as you can see in this widget, which is our extension, it shows a little icon in gray. And what that means is that this is a neutral email. And if we expand it, we get key information about the key phrases and topics about this email. Without going into too much depth of the email itself, we can actually see it's talking about a flight entertainment handset player for this particular email. Now let's go back and try another ticket, which is negative. So for this one, someone is actually talking about a PayPal fraud. And as you can see, the result comes back from the expert.ai endpoint saying that the sentiment is actually negative. And if we expand it, we also can get key phrases, and we can see that it's talking about proof of a ticket, business transaction, and money through PayPal. So without going into actual details of this email, we already know this is a transaction fraud, and the sentiment is labeled as negative. So this is pretty powerful for support tickets. And we actually tried on other random arbitrary marketing emails, and it actually works pretty well too. So for example, this one, this is from the Republic website about an investment opportunity. And as we can see that it actually also successfully parsed out the key phrases, endorsements invest, celebrity customer, and talking about trade, economy, watermarking, TV broadcasting. So it actually is a quick summary of this particular investment opportunity, and overall sentiment is positive, although this might not be super relevant here since this is not a support ticket. So there you have it. This widget will go with you while you're browsing through your Gmail, and it will always be available when you're looking at any emails that you need to handle. And for those long emails, regardless of whether it's HTML format or plain text format, it will always work pretty well. So thank you, and this is the demo.